Saya hanya ingin mengatakan bahwa saya bersyukur hari ini tim PSM Makassar bisa mendapatkan 3 poin. Saya berterima kasih kepada pelatih, rekan setim yang sudah bekerja keras, dan juga supporter yang datang ke stadion dan juga supporter yang mendukung dari rumah.
Selamat malam. First, I want to say Terima Kasih. Thank you very much for the supporters that come to the stadium and make a fantastic environment, support since the first minute until the end. Fantastic. Terima Kasih. Second, I am very proud of my guys today. We have more chances than opponent team. We have more corners. We have more everything. Unfortunately, the 2 goals that we suffer, we cannot suffer. We lose our focus in this moment and cannot happen again. We won because we play very, very, very good. Because if we not play very good, we not win this match. Because we not play against one team. We play against 2 teams. Wasit team was very poor today. How can it possible? 16 fouls. 16 fouls. There are people here. Explain to me. How can it possible? Akbar gets a cartão kuning. How can it possible? How can it possible? Kenzo have cartão kuning. How can it possible? I give you one thing to you. See how many players from our side get injured and go out. Too much players. You know why? I can start. Minute 5. Number 97. Foul against Vitor, not yellow card. In Europe, yellow card, for sure. Number 2. Central back. 2 times for yellow card. Minute 15 against Jacob. Minute 35 against Kenzo. No yellow card. Number 4, minute 3 against Adilson, minute 32 against Everton. 2 times, no yellow card. Number 6, minute 69, unbelievable. Make foul against Akbar. Make foul against Akbar. The referee make foul against us and give cartão kuning to Akbar. What is this, man? This is ridiculous. Number 6, again, minute 74, danger foul against Tahar. Nothing, no cartão kuning. Who's take cartão kuning? Our captain Willie that go to say, hey, referee, come on, it's cartão kuning. And who's take cartão kuning? Our player. 3 cartão kuning we take. Opponent team always stop the game by making danger foul. If you want to not speak about this, continue it. Because in this situation is very poor the football in Indonesia. Because the referee allowed these kind of things. A normal game with a normal wasit, 7, 8 guys of them go out today. They make consecutive foul. How many times number 2 make this? And no foul. Man, this is cartão kuning. I'd be surprised. I don't want to speak bad things about the referee, but he's always, see, the 2 games against Bali we make, playoff, tira bagos. Here game Dewa, number 23 and number 22, finish the game, and our player get aggression, Yasa, nothing happened. It's put me very sad, because you not respect the players, our staff, and our supporters that are working here, special the players, on the week, and after we want to make Bagos game, and we come here and we see one guy always stop the game and not show cartão kuning when he must show, and show cartão kuning when he cannot show. Akbar kartu kuning, Kenzo kartu kuning, and Willy kartu kuning is ridicule. Come back to the game again. So, if there was a normal was it, these kind of things not happen. And if you're gonna analyze the game, always perceive, make fault to stop our game. Always. See how many falls they make. Danger falls. We have many players injured. Nobody want to see this. It's too much consecutive mistakes. And this put me very down. Because what I feel, it's the was it not respect PSM Makassar. So please, I hope that in the future, the was it respect our players, respect the rules. I'm not asking to give penalties to us. No, I don't. I want that the referee not make mistakes. Just this. If they not make mistakes, special against us, I'm very happy. About the game today, I just want to say one thing. Vitor, young player, score goal, make assist. Andy, young player, make also a goal. Many young players from academy play again today. I'm very happy with this. And this is possible because the environment that the supporters make today on Pare Stadium was fantastic. Terima kasih to them, and I hope next match you can come to support us again.
Terima kasih, selamat malam. Saya hanya ingin mengatakan bahwa saya bersyukur hari ini tim PSM Makassar bisa mendapatkan 3 poin. Saya berterima kasih kepada pelatih, rekan setim yang sudah bekerja keras, dan juga supporter yang datang ke stadion, dan juga supporter yang mendukung dari rumah. Ya, terima kasih.
Apa prestasi lihat di raya hari ini? Tahu mungkin soal Persib Bandung tidak pernah menang di kandang PSM, malah PSM selalu menang besar dengan skor pertama skor 5-1, kemudian 4-2. Mungkin kalau dari coach sendiri apa sih yang menjadi strategi dari coach sendiri sehingga bisa meraih hasil maksimal di kemudian untuk Bang Victor, boleh? Bang Victor mungkin kemungkinan 3 laga terakhir telah menjadi kepercayaan Bernard untuk tetap di starter. Mungkin ke depan bagaimana mungkin untuk targetnya ke depan?
Target kalau buat saya sih cuman mengikuti instruksi pelatih dan bekerja keras dalam latihan. Kalau dikasih kepercayaan lagi buat starting, ya saya memberikan 100%, dan kalau enggak, ya enggak apa. Buat pemain lain, mereka juga harus memberikan 100% buat tim. Ya, terima kasih. Okay.
I think the key factor is the supporters. It's totally different when we see Pare Stadium with this environment and support since the first minute. Create extra energy for the players, and you have big example today. Was total different, and I give example with our last match here against Dewa. On first half good, but after I don't know what's happened on half time. The players saw, and I hope that this never come back, because we want to have proud of our supporters. And today I am very proud of our supporters, because they come, they support. They are fantastic. This is the key.